Joel. T-K-T. T-K-T. Don't put music for me. Thank you, Eva. Eva's trying to spice up some music. T-K-T. 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 Joel. Handsome Joe. Big Joe. You like it? Yeah. Happy 3 months. You are 3.5 months. I know. You wanna dance? We can dance.
Welcome everybody. Today, unboxing the Bright Stars Fifi Zoo TM. There's the animals in the zoo. They were exploring the jungle of the babies, lying down the tummy time.
Yeah, so they can lay on the tummy time. They can play music.
Or fly motor. Tummy time 10. Fly motor 10.
So this has how many toys?
5.
And this is activity gym, right?
Yeah.
So 3 ways to play.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is from how many months? How many months can you use it?
That's from 0 months.
How many melodies do we have?
4. Let's open it now.
Yay!
Let's open it.
Alright.
It's back. It is back.
That's the instruction, right?
Yeah. So get scissors and cut. It's not working. Oh!
Oopsie daisy.
Oh my god! Don't know what happened to it. Oh!
Oops, that was fast.
Yeah.
We have to
I like the scissors.
Careful. So you don't. Yeah.
Oh!
Good job.
I'm good at this. Okay.
Good job. Is that all?
Yeah. Oh. Oh no. Oh, the harder one. You know what? That's okay.
Yay! High five.
I cannot enter.
You guys, before you put it in, you have to make sure that each part, because some of them doesn't come with a thing. So make sure that goes in there.
That's big.
Yeah, and this part that has the hanger, it goes in there. And this part, whichever part has it, right?
Yeah.
And go down there. And this other part doesn't have it, but it has it on the thing. So that's where you end up setting it up.
Gee.
Good job. Yes, you did it. Okay.
No.
Good job. Yes. Like that. Good job.
Hang in the mirror. Hang it.
Good Yeah.
I did it. Yeah, we're gonna put the baby in there. I know if the baby like it or not.
You don't know if the baby like it or not. We'll find out when the baby wakes up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if baby likes it. Because big brother is sleeping. Yeah, he likes it. Jewel likes it. Your brother was waiting for you to wake up, but he had to go to sleep. And your big sis is here. Can I have the pencil? Thank you. Yes, big sis. That's it for your baby brother. Yes, Ava, he likes it. It's supposed to be for baby. Anyway, you're 18 months, so you're baby too. You're 17 months. Alright, Joel. Joel can grab it. Stop looking at your sister. Yeah, look at this. Grab it. On behalf of Meljeva, spray time. Meljeva. He likes it. He's 3.5 months. No. And his sister is 17 months. Thank you for watching. Alright, he likes it. Our 3-month-old likes it. Yes. But you have too much. No, Ava. No, Miss Busy Feet. Joel. Katie. Katie. Don't put music for me. Thank you, Ava. Ava's trying to spice up some music. Katie. Joe. Handsome Joe. Big Joe. You like it? Yeah. Happy 3 months. You are 3.5 months. I know. You wanna dance? We can dance. Handsome Joe. Thank you for watching. No, Ava. No, Ava.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to Like and subscribe to Mel J's Playtime channel. Bye.